Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Jennifer. In this video, I'll be showing you how I made this adorable angel ornament from a shell. In case you're new to my channel, this is part of my Christmas Countdown of Crafts 2025. This year, I'm making simple projects inspired by things I found in nature. You can either head out to the beach like I did, which I think everyone would agree is preferable, or you could find shells at a retail or craft store. This would be a great project for a church or kids group, so if you're interested in making this cute angel, stay with me and I'll show you how I did it.
You're going to need a calico scallop or clam shell that's shaped like this with little wings at the top. You'll also need twine and wooden beads. I had a whole box of craft beads. The largest looks the most proportionate and has a hole that goes all the way through, which is very helpful. I would recommend using something similar. I started off by looping a small bit of twine and threading it up through the top of the bead. When I was happy with the size of the loop at the top, I tied a knot underneath. Then I made the wings by taking the jute and wrapping it around my fanned out fingers about 6 times. I cut a small section off and secured the wings in the center by tying a tight knot. Next, I began gluing everything together. You could take an extra step and drill a tiny hole at the neck area of the shell. I was afraid I'd crack it, so I simply flipped the shell on the underside and used hot glue to secure the jute with the knot landing just under the top of the shell. To keep the bead from sliding up through the top of the loop, I added a very tiny spot of glue at the neck. Then I took the loose ends and tied and glued the wings into place. Trim off any excess and fluff the jute wings until you get the desired look. This can be customized to your liking. You might even want to take some pipe cleaners to create a halo or attach a tiny bell on the back side of the shell. Spraying glitter paint is also another idea.
So I hope you like this easy, inexpensive craft, and let me know in the comments if you plan to make this for yourself. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the rest of the countdown, and look me up. You can find me on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook as well. As always, thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.